Ever wonder how people do things so quickly in Design Space and you don't even see them click anywhere? Keyboard shortcuts, also known as hotkeys, allow you to use the functions and features of a program by simultaneously pressing a specific combination of keys on your keyboard. Normally, it involves the control button on a Windows computer and command on a Mac. We've been able to use some shortcuts in Design Space, but the update to version 7.12 increased that to 26 options. But that isn't all the update includes. You can now change your profile banner. There are new test cut image groups, a new option for beta testing the app, along with many bug fixes. How do you use these new features? My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor, and I'll walk you through it. I've linked Cricut's release notes and downloadable shortcut cheat sheet in the description for this video. Cricut's Learning Library has a wide variety of printable cheat sheets. They just added this one about shortcuts. You can click on the link below it to download it to your device. I printed out a copy on cardstock. The left half of the page is Windows shortcuts and the right is Mac OS. The shortcuts are sorted into 6 categories that you see on the far left side: General, Edit, Layers, Arrange, Zoom, and Mouse actions. It shows the action, such as save, and the shortcut. For save, it's Control or Command S. They've also added relevant keyboard shortcuts to the Arrange and Edit menus on the canvas. This should help us learn the shortcuts. They've also added duplicate and delete functions to the Edit menu and group and ungroup functions to the Arrange menu. I've used the shortcuts in the past, and I'm really excited with all the things that we're able to do, especially adjusting layers with the new shortcuts. Now onto the other parts of the update. Cricut's first October 2021 update allowed us more control over our profiles. This update allows us to change our profile banner so it isn't that bright orange. It's quick and easy. On the home screen, open the hamburger menu on the top left, select View Profile, then click the Edit icon on the profile banner. You can upload your own image or choose one of the pre-designed banners from Cricut. If you upload your own, you can zoom, rotate, and replace it as desired. When you're finished, click Apply and you're done. If you've been interested in beta testing the app and seeing what new features are coming before it gets released, you can now easily do that. If you go into the menu and go into Settings, there's now an option to swap back and forth between the live version of the app and the beta version. The live version is the one that they've said is good to go. Beta has the new features that they're working on. As you swap back and forth, it lets you know that it may close out the program to make sure everything's saved before you do that. When I swapped to beta, it closed Design Space, installed a new update, and gave me a What's New banner with what they're anticipating including in version 7.13. I then went back in and changed back to the live version. This will be really cool if you want to try out something, or if you know that something's not working well on the beta version, you've reported it, but you need to use a feature without it doing that, you can go back to the live version. For this last new feature, I'm using a Cricut screenshot since it only applies when you're setting up a new Explore 3 or Maker 3. They've added new images to your test cut options. Here's a quick glance of the bug fixes included in this update. There's quite a few. If you want to read them in detail, you can either pause this video or check out the release notes. Let me know in the comments what you think about the shortcuts and how I can help you learn to make with them. Thanks so much for watching Hank's Maker Mentor, and until next time, bye.